Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm making a no base or paste required chicken tikka masala, a deliciously mild and creamy dish made with coconut, almonds, cream and tikka spices without any of the faff. Before I begin, please take a second to subscribe, like the video and click that notification bell. Thanks. It's really important to measure spices accurately for mild dishes like these, as they're a lot less tolerant to strong spices and you won't get the same taste. All measurements I've given are those of level measuring spoons. To begin, get your pan on a low to medium heat and add the oil and onions. Fry gently for a few minutes to soften, stirring frequently. You don't want them to caramelise, just soften. Now add the garlic, stir through and fry for around 30 seconds until the strong smell disappears. Add the watered down tomato paste along with a methi. Stir through and fry for around a minute to remove the bitterness. You don't need to water the paste down, but it really helps to combine it in the dish. In with the coriander, chilli, cumin, paprika, turmeric, salt, mint sauce and lemon juice. Stir through well and allow the spices to fry out for a few minutes. Now add the coconut milk powder, ground almonds and sugar and stir through well. Add a little water if it's looking thick and fry for a couple of minutes until the oil starts to separate. Add half the heated up water, stir through and allow to reduce for a couple of minutes before adding the rest. Allow to cook for a couple of minutes, then tip in the cream and red colouring powder if using, mixing through well. The colouring doesn't alter the taste in any way, but some people like their tikka bright red and some don't. It's completely up to you. Finally, in with your choice of protein. Stir through and allow to reduce until it is cooked through and the sauce is the consistency you require. I've used my yogurt free chicken tikka today. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.